Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will explain about the spherical coordinate system. To understand spherical coordinate system, I will explain how can we represent spherical coordinate system. And then I explain how to convert from spherical coordinate system to Cartesian coordinate system and from Cartesian coordinate system to spherical coordinate system. First of all, I will explain about spherical coordinate system. It is represented by r, theta and phi. First of all, we have to understand the meaning of r, theta and phi. If I say I have a point P over there, the point P has coordinate x, y, z in Cartesian coordinate. How can we write x, y and z in terms of r, theta and phi? First of all, what is r? R is the radius from origin to point P and it is represented by R. And the line from origin to point P is the radius in spherical coordinate system and it make an angle theta with respect to z axis. And this point P has projection on xyz and we connect this point projection with origin. Then angle with respect to x axis is phi and this is origin. So r is radius from origin to point P. Theta is angle with respect to z axis and phi is angle of projection of xy plane with respect to x-axis. Now we will understand how can we convert from Cartesian to spherical coordinate system. If we draw the projection of point P on z-axis, then it will give z component, and then this line is equal to, then this line will be r cos theta. And this angle will be theta minus 90. So if r is the radius, then this line is equal to r sin theta. If we draw the projection of this point on x-axis, so this will give us x component. If r sin theta is the radius and phi is the angle, so this line is equal to r sin theta cos phi. This point also make projection with y-axis. If r sin theta is the radius and angle is phi minus 90, then y component is r sin theta sin phi. So x is equal to r sin theta cos phi, y is equal to r sin theta sin phi, and z is equal to r cos theta. This is equation number 1, 2 and 3. If we have given spherical coordinate, we can convert to Cartesian coordinate by this formula. If Cartesian coordinates are given, we can convert to spherical coordinates. So Cartesian coordinate to spherical coordinate system is, to convert, take square of equation 1, 2 and 3 and add them. So this become x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square sin square theta cos square phi plus r square sin square theta sin square phi plus r square cos square theta. We now sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. So from first two terms we take common r square sin square theta. So this become cos square phi plus sin square phi plus r square cos square theta. So this term is equal to 1. So this become r square sin square theta plus r square cos square theta. So again take common r square. So this become sin square theta plus cos square theta. Again this term is equal to 1. So this is equal to r square. So r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square, and r is equal to square root x square plus y square plus z square. Consider equation 3, which is z is equal to r cos theta, and z over r is equal to cos theta, and theta is equal to cos inverse z over r, and r is equal to square root x square plus y square plus z square. So this become theta is equal to cos inverse z over square root x square plus y square plus z square. Divide equation 2 and 1. So this become y over x is equal to r sin theta sin phi over sin r sin theta cos phi, which is equal to sin phi over cos phi, and this is equal to tangent phi. So phi is equal to tangent inverse y over x.